Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. As you can see right now, we have over 1/3 of the company in S&P 500 index. They already reported third quarterly earnings for 2021, and some of them who make the earnings, they will double, triple the value, but the one who couldn't make it, they will cut by half. So you can see that a lot of earnings is very sensitive to the stock market. But in the historical 30 November, December, and start for the first month of next year, usually be the best month for the stock market. Let's see how they are coming out this year. Right now, if you look at the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow, they are all making all-time high. So let's see it. They'll be able to continue to keep this momentum. So tomorrow it will be important day for you to watch out on the FOMC meeting. It happened tomorrow at the 2 o'clock Eastern time and 11 o'clock Pacific time. So they will talk about the bond tapering, inflation started for the remaining year of 2021. So you will see that some volatility pick it up if you are a day trader. So now let's take a look on the major indices so they can see what happened to the market right now. So overall, you can see that the ES, the S&P 500, it still push it up to the upside. But however, we are in the very far away after they run up for many days here. So we have to watch out for the resistance in this level. Let's see they be able to continue to hold on, or they will put it back down before they can go higher. If you look at the Nasdaq, it's also pretty strong. They make it all-time high and still continue to put it up. The Dow, it also make it at all-time high at the first time they hit to 36,000 mark. Okay, since pandemic, they go low. Now they hit it to the all-time high again right now. The Russell 2000, which is fall behind. They have been sideways choppy for a long time since the beginning of the year, but now they are trying to build up the momentum. You can see that a lot of small cap stock, they are ready to punch to this level. If they can clear up this level of resistance, they can continue to move it up also. For the crude oil, you can see that they are still in uptrend, but they are still sideways correction here. So as long as they stay about this trend line here, it's still bullish. Gold, it have a little bit trouble to go higher. They pull it back down. Now they fall below the trend line. So they need to pull back a little bit before they can tell us what direction they want to go. If you look at the Bitcoin is still very strong. They pull back down. Now they find a way to put it back up. But Ethereum is very strong. They pull back just a little bit, and now they gain some more momentum to put it up again. So if you look at the volatility index, we are still in the low bow here. So that's good for the market. But if they hold up here and bow back up, then we start watching out. Okay, if it won't work up, the market will have a little bit correction before they can find a momentum to put it up again. In the other hand, for the 10-year Treasury note, they couldn't punch to that level that we show you many videos before. So now they try to put it back down. So this one, as long as this one come down, the interest rate will be hold up there for a little bit, and let's see how they are doing in this level here. But if this one is continue to go down, definitely they will have a technology stock to go higher. So if you look at the 11 sector of S&P 500, the material is still doing well. They break out, still continue to put it up to the upside. The computer communication service is kind of lacking. They are fall behind, very weak in the S&P 500 sector there. The energy is also, they run up too fast. So they are still sideways correction right now. The financial, it also push it up with the interest rate increase, but now seems like they cool down a little bit, so they are in a sideways choppy right now. The industrial is still very strong. If they be able to clear this resistance here, the industrial, especially like transportation, they should be doing well in the future. The technology it will continue to make it high, and it's very strong sector, especially if you look at the semiconductor, it's very strong and still moving back up. Like AMD, a lot of stuff they have, but they are very standard. But Nvidia, they are still doing very well there. If you look at another sector, the real estate sector also try to clear up and punch to this level here, so they are still very bullish, and the consumer discretionary is still strong, but they are too fast, so don't not try to chase. A lot of stock in this sector they already put it up strong, but they are too far right now. So let's say like Tesla, okay, they have been running up, but they are right at the resistance right now. So let's see how they are doing by tomorrow. Okay, and you can see that a lot of stock in the retail sector is still doing well. Like I told you on Sunday video. So this one here is still pretty strong. They move up fast, and you can see a lot of stock, Costco wholesale retail, like Costco, like Nike. Those stocks are still very strong. BJ, okay, they are still very strong on the upside. And on the Sunday, I show you one of the sectors that we should watch out. It's still very strong. They're on the move for the month of November. So a lot of stock that belong to the green or lean energy, like QCLN, they are still doing so strong there. Okay, but sometimes they are too fast. Then you need to wait for them to pull back before you can initiate the position. Don't try to chase it when it's too far away. And BE, another one, PLUG, okay, they are all strong stock there. And in terms of cybersecurity stock, a lot of them are still doing well, like CIBR, okay, like NET, okay, they are very strong, PANW. So those stocks are still strong and hang on to the upside. So beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick many stocks daily and analyze and give you the entry, stop loss, target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below, and thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.